I like doing my school wear because when I see the little ones coming in year after year and seeing them grow from size to size, I think, oh, it's lovely. I've seen them grow from little and I love it. Everybody at the moment is out walking, keeping fit. We must be the fittest in the valley. And it's nice to see, well, they've had that from my premises. And it's just nice to keep friends in the community, is the more, because the community keeps the shops going. Shop local, keep the town open, and the shops will be here for a long time.
You can come in on your own and somebody will always sit and talk to you. And I think that's so nice because a lot of places lose that. Yeah, we still got some right characters that come in here and they're really funny. Really funny. Lovely, it's lovely community feeling in here. We've had quite a lot of people as they're coming in saying, we can't wait for you to open so we can sit down again and see friends and get back to normality.
So our niche is newborn, maternity, newborn, and then the early years, so like as they grow up through the milestones and families and things like that. Newborns is really lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because they come in and you can have a cuddle and then send them on their way.
If somebody comes to us and spends their money with us, that's our kids going and doing something nice on the weekend, rather than if you buy in a big chain, then it's kind of, you know, you don't see the benefit to that then, do you?
There's a new generation of business owners coming up now that is going to, I think they focused on the high street and town centres and local small communities that is going to, it's going to bring that community spirit back.
We got menswear downstairs, we got ladies wear upstairs here, and we got the children's and school uniform shop next door. We just hope that the customers we've seen, who we don't normally see, possibly will stay with us and stay with the other shops in the town as well. Hopefully they'll see what we got here and stay local.